Today I got something pretty cool for all you Nintendo Switch owners, more specifically Switch owners that are on the go more and have some physical games. This is the Ortz Nintendo Switch case, but it's not your ordinary case, oh no. This case has one awesome feature and we're gonna check it out now. What's good, people? I'm YetiMachete. Teching ain't easy, I'm here to help. So the Ortz case can very easily be mistaken for the Mamba case, and that's because it's essentially a complete ripoff. Now, that's not a bad thing at all. I really like the Mamba case, it's comfortable and offers great protection. If you haven't seen my review on that, it'll be on card now. Now, since it's almost identical, I won't go over the same exact things, but talk about what's new with the Ortz case and go over the basics. The one thing that makes the Ortz case different from the Mamba case is on the back. There you will find storage for up to 5 Nintendo Switch games. The games pop in nice and secure, so if the lid opens up accidentally, your games aren't going anywhere. Don't worry though, the lid snaps in nice and secure as well, so it shouldn't open up on you. Something really cool here and unexpected was how the lid also doubles as the kickstand. I thought that was super dope. I love the fact that I can take my physical games with me without worry of losing them. I actually was looking for a case like this quite some time ago, couldn't find anything, so I modified my Mio case. And by modified, I mean super glued a game card holder to the back. So the idea of being able to take physical games with you without worry of losing any cartridges is something I've been interested in since the release of the Switch. Looking around the case, we have cutouts for all the ports except the kickstand. On the inside of the case, you can see some grooves to help absorb shock if dropped. The back of the case is raised to allow for better grip, and the front has a lip giving the Switch a bit more protection if dropped. Just like the Mamba case, the Ortz case has some heft to it, but it's comfortable for the most part. The case has a soft rubber-like feel to the touch and has a nice texture on the back. My only main complaint here with comfort has to do with the addition of the game card holder. The edges are really sharp, so resting my fingers on it while gaming is straight up uncomfortable. That wouldn't be a problem if the storage for the games wasn't so big. I think the card holder could have easily been shrunk down a bit. I have pretty big hands, so if you don't, this might not even be a problem for you. If you don't plan on docking it, because obviously you can't dock it with this on it, and other than those 2 other complaints I just mentioned, then I think this is a pretty cool case. I would like to see a redesign with spring-loaded slots so that we can pop in and out the games, kind of like how we insert games into the Switch. With that being said, I think this is a good case for anyone that buys physical games, is always on the go, and doesn't want to lose those teeny tiny cartridges. You guys know the drill. I'll drop links in the description for you if you want to pick this up, but that's going to wrap up the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. If you haven't yet, definitely check out my other content. Consider subscribing. I would appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.